Watching our previous two videos in this series, Secrets of the Mesh, What is AI, and Secrets of the Mesh, AI Deep Learning, will help you understand some of the terminology and concepts used here. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a potentially powerful new human tool. It's a truly amazing achievement by engineers, mathematicians, and computer scientists. Nevertheless, its introduction into human society has raised concerns, some reasonable and others not so reasonable. Despite fears that this new technology might be dangerous, it's not likely that humans will stop working on it. Inventing new tools is built into who we are. Instead, we should make rational plans to ensure that AI is helpful, not harmful. Concern number 1. AI machines will turn against us and take over the world. Unlike humans who have been programmed by millions of years of natural selection to compete with other organisms for access to resources, machines have no emotions, no inherent interest in self-preservation, and no desire for dominance. These are human characteristics bound up with the system that promotes living organisms, continually making more living organisms. This is not how machines work, so it's unlikely that machines on their own will ever try to take over the world. So let's go on to more realistic concerns. Concern number 2. Bad actors will use AI for malicious purposes, such as scams and spreading disinformation that causes social upheaval, or taking over the world. Well, of course, people have been perpetrating scams and using disinformation to harm others since ancient times. Watch our video, Secrets of the Mesh Information 1, for more on this. They really don't need AI to do so, but AI makes these schemes easier for them and harder for unsuspecting humans to detect. Concern number 3. AI is full of bias, inherent in how it's trained. It may also inadvertently disseminate false information. Since language is a major way humans organize the world, biases are baked into AI models from the start, even without trainer and training material bias. And AI is sometimes just plain wrong, and unsuspecting humans pass on this information uncritically. Concern number 4. Loss of jobs for humans. This is not a new phenomenon. The history of machine development has been the history of changes in how humans work. Some jobs have been lost, others created. It remains to be seen if humans will have the skills needed to adapt to new jobs, which will increasingly involve interacting with the digital world. Concern number 5. Infringement on intellectual property rights. Generative AI is pretty good at creating content in a wide variety of areas, but does so by viewing, reading, and remixing content that is already out there. Of course, humans do this too. For humans, we discourage plagiarism and have laws against copyright violation, but figuring out how to apply these rules to machines is complicated. Concern number 6. Psychological harm caused by humans interacting with machines. Machines are not people, but the goal of AI developers is for machines to do a really good job of imitating people so that they can be useful in the human world. But some people may confuse machines with actual people and develop inappropriate attachments, resulting in harm when machines cannot fulfill their expectations. To mitigate these concerns, governments can pass laws to ensure that AI follows the same rules that humans follow when using other people's work or likeness. AI developers can build in ethics training that prevents AI from carrying out malicious acts when told to do so by humans. This would deter low-level bad actors from using already available AI models for malicious purposes, but would not deter bad actors with sufficient funds and expertise to build their own unethical models, such as nations or organized crime. Governments could work on international agreements to control this activity. In other cases, what are sometimes framed as problems with AI are really problems with people grappling with culture change. We are all new arrivals in the digital world. We are easily duped by AI's artistry, accept information uncritically and without evaluating sources, lack proper training for new work environments, and don't understand how machines are different from people. Widespread public education programs will help humans get up to speed with this remarkable new technology.